I swear. Yes, man. Yes, man. And no, quick. Yes, man. Feel me? What the choppings, yeah, man. On the check-in. On the forward, yeah, man. And make sure so they like and share, yeah, man. Man, I get right. And I want there. I don't know the style of the quick boss. What the choppings. Yes, man. Yes, man. Yes, man. Before me start talk, me a wait for you. Because you know, so when me a burn off them boy, you know the style, you know. Big up on yourself, everybody. Farrah, what's up, sweet pea? You know the style. Whoa, princess. What die? Yes, man. Yeah. You feel me? Me don't know if you feel me, you know. What kind of bug this? What kind of bug this? I like that something there. I like that bug something there. What is this? What's that bug come from? How I go? What's that bug come from? A kite we make? How I go? Kite I make? You want me to tell you some of the things them know why enough of we boy can't get good girl boy, yeah? Some of you Jamaican boy. You love likes too much, man. The only thing you do a beg girl nowadays, every girl we buck we nowadays thing, so we go beg them. Let me show you our style. Who no worse on the blood clot girl them dog? Me hear all man call girl and I tell girl for near mouth of the man dog. What kind of style that? Oh no, but him and that. Jesus. What me kick on the dog? Brother, let me show that style, brother. Me hear man call other girl and tell girl say, yo, you know, say my virgin like yo, my virgin have money, you know, B. Yo, B, let me tell you something. You know you can name a piece of food off of him. You see how some of the boy, that's why man a fuck some of the boy, you know. Some of the boy get fucked by man because some of the boy love likes, you know. Who no beg too much, my you, daddy, me scream one more time, dog. Every time me do a live that fucking something I go like I eat pay my phone with. Daddy wanna beg too much, daddy so till all something for my screen that's a come up dog, cause me talk too much truth, youth. Nowadays it used to be a time where a girl a beg things wicked. As girls see them beg yo, me rent one pay. No, them a boy got them worse than girl. Them why you carry them go mad. Buy them clocks put on them foot and then work no way you batty boy. Some of the boy forget fuck with dildo, you know. Some of the boy forget fuck with dildo. Me say yeah man. Oh, don't forget fuck with dildo, man. Brother, let me tell you this, my friend. No found a boy want to sit down in our house and behave like cheerleader or bumbuckler housewife. You think I say go? You know why in a house and I tell your girls if you go buy you the latest shirt and the latest shorts and the latest shoes. Yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch, youth. On if you stop see girl and beg girl, on a beg girl pussy, on a beg girl clothes, on a beg girl money, on a beg, on a worse and girl, on a beg you fucking a dog. On a beg you fuck dog. Dog on a beg you fuck. Dog on a can't beg sir. Dog on a stop beg me. Me stop beg me. Me stop beg. On a make it, on a run a girl and foot hot daddy. Yeah daddy. On a run a foot, the girl and foot hot. Right now the girl and foot hot, daddy. Daddy, right now the girl and foot hot, daddy. When I run the girl and foot hot in the likes game. Me they think girl love likes, but dog gonna make the likes thing look nice, dog. Oh no boy. Me not talk about every man, you know, cause me not want me a single out the batty boy them now, you know. Me a single them out, you know. You see me? Me a single out the batty boy them right now. Me not talk about every man, but some of the boy a bitch. Me done talk. All you no want do is catch up in a blood clot place. I go on like you don't want to make no money, not even little weed, you don't want to go blow buckler sell. Go sell some weed and better off yourself pussy hole. You sit down and wait for a girl paycheck. But you don't want to go blood clot man. That's why man a ride on a like bicycle. And that me I try telling the dog, man having as a big bumbuckler assistant that's a whining. Cause you bumbuck on the like and share enough of them boy and I go on hear this. And I found the boy don't want to hear this, but me a blood clot talk on the need for go sell some weed and make some money. And stop beg out the girl and pocket every blood clot there. So I used to girl call man and say, yo, man got KFC. Me hear man a call girl and tell girl say I'm hungry. He want got Popeyes. He want got Popeyes. Him even want got Wendy's. Don't have Popeyes he want go. Eh? Could a boy? Dog, you just say about him and dog? Dog, you just say about him and all. No, daddy. Daddy, if you sit down in our house, daddy, and you not do nothing for bringing money in your house, daddy, you're about him and daddy. Believe me, daddy. You know the style. Yo, go inside. What me tell you, said, not in the camera. Go. Go on. Come on, bad boy. Hey, look, boy. Don't play me, you know. Inside here. You don't feel the audience. Go on in, Mr. Man. Where you at? Hey, look, boy. Play me, no man. Me not joke with you. Yeah, man. That's why I have to grow them, little boy. I me around me rough, you know. Me can't grow them like bitch. Because I hit make the boy then come go on, so. When you never baby, they up and a bomb class as they drop and get a bruise, they go there and a blow it off. Oh, sweetheart, sorry. Move your bomb clot in my soldier, make him pussy clot tear off his face down there, so. You see me? Make him tear off his face down there, so. Him a boy pitney. So when town grown, the boy pitney them like girl. Them come out yes and come behave like girl. Like bitch. I saw them make on the son them start behave out here. Because you grow them for turn girl. So now when time they come now, they expect every girl to be their mother. Them you nowadays, man, yeah, every girl with them a fuck and them mama that. Him expect that the girl if he feed him, clothe him, and give money in his pocket and his mama that. And them their mama's boy. Yes, man, you know the style. You feel me? Me know so no know the style, you know. Them the boy you nowadays when you see a walk around in the whole heap of bumbuckler, Gucci and Louis. A girl pussy them a suck feet, daddy. Yeah, man. And them boy they burn me out every day, man. Call me a cock quick, them cock quickly. Yeah, man. Them boy you know, say me know them style, man. So when them hear the quick boss say, yo, you know the style. Them know the style. Them feel me. Do you feel me? Me not think you feel me all now, baby. You understand me? Them you nowadays, boy, you look people for be them mama. Out here. No boy no want work no more. No man no want go sell weed and go bust gun and dead again. Everybody want cock up in a AC and make girl go work. You a bitch. Yeah, man. Dog, me say you're a bitch, youth. In a real life. In a real life, daddy. A one thing me come for talk on a realness. This is not a joke and a hype, but any boy with bum buckle out sit down and make girl mind them. My girl make sure say you fuck him. I go and buy all out one dildo. One strap on one. For them your boy who would think say them can come sit down in our house and watch you and pay your bills. And I do all kind of blood clot sitting for them. Two of them, your boy, you walk this way in your house, them not even cut a blood clot yard. You still have to go call somebody if you do it and pay them if you do it too. Fuck him. Christine, what's up, baby? Me say make sure say you fuck him. Eh? Some of them your boy you have more, them your boy your pussy bigger than blood clot girl daddy. Yeah, daddy. Lee, what's up, boy? Mr. Youth, you can't tell me nothing about you now, no body strength. Me know it already. No for the boy, the one them want to see love bumbuckler, sit down. I make y'all mind them. I now ask if man now wine them. You understand the style, eh? You see the style. Me know it, you know. You understand me? Christine and my baby, walk. Yo, me show now style. You know how much girl have this a gotcha? You know how much girl have man tone in their house? Big stone in their house? Boy, we have furniture in their house. You know how much girl have furniture in them place so they never pay for? Eh? You know how much time girl see boy clean out in the street and thinks they have something for girl and when time she knows so I share off her mind him. Everything when wear you have to buy that, mama. Mama remember say me give you good cocky, you know. Dennis, what's up? You know that there for you. Yo, you know the style. Let me tell you this. Me think in a relationship if it be 50-50. Me never feel like say man fi give woman everything neither. Me not feel like a man fi give a woman everything neither. And if a girl thinks that it fi go so, she a blood clot wicked. 50-50. Me think that fear. You understand me? Run the war, go on. Quick. Love you, my daddy, I swear. Let me tell you this. Enough of them boy where you see right here, so right now. Believe say, girl fi give them their everything. Enough girl where you see right here, so believe say, man fi give them their everything. A liar blood clot tell girl. Girl a liar blood clot tell girl. Me done with the man them now. Hey girl, a liar tell girl. Enough of no man we sit down in our house, you know. And want your man fi give you the whole line paycheck, you know. Hey girl, you know say you're wicked. Hey girl, you know say you're wicked. Yeah, my mama, you're wicked, mama. Me not ask you. Hear you to yourself now. Hear you to yourself, you know. Self? Boy, every day me get up and me cook, and me clean, me fuck him, me suck him hood. Listen, can't do give me paycheck. Mama, your blood clot job that. If you never want to, what the fuck you take it for? If half of my paycheck me can't pay you for that blood clot, me get a maid without cost me less. And she fuck me for free. Cause you blood clot too. No found a girl out the stairs so me a man me can't tell on a dog. On a conscience. On a conscience, nothing a bumbo clot. Man never see for the money yet. But you know want the whole of the world, a dirty girl. All our for independent as paper, man and bumbo clot, oh man. Fuck no, no. Oh no want get up every day and I can talk about say, give me this, give me this, give me this, give me this. Move your bumbo clot, enough girl in the house. I expect a man to get up and buy them everything and your man all want some boxes and you not buy him that. Go suck your mama, girl. Suck your mama, girl. Go suck out your big pussy, mama. Because guess what the thing now? Me no believe say me if you give my all. And me no expect you to give me your all neither. Me not give me heart, soul and a bumbo clot body hole. Me not do it. Me want for myself too. You pussy clot, right? Eh? You know how we box a shot your box you say pussy clot. You don't even know say me box this heart here, daddy. On get up every day and I expect the people to go on this and go on a bumbo clot that. What do you think? What do you think relationship is? A business? Our business in our run? When I see it all no found the people if you're collecting on a relationship. Who do not deal with people for love no more, not deal with people for money. Who don't want to see one head for bumbo clot, you know. Licky pussy hole. Corner ass clot too. Enough found out the stairs on a pussy hole. You don't want to give but you don't want to get move on a nasty blood clot from here, so. A relationship is not a business, it's a partnership. Love partnership. You see me I deal with no share. Bumbo clot don't know. Nobody not give more than nobody. Thanks, love. Me black youth, me say nobody not give no more than nobody in a relationship and nobody not watch nobody hand. You not hide no money from your woman and you not hide no money from your man. From you get to you forget you cool and love that them money there. Me not in no house in nobody and hide no money from them. That means say me not trust you. That means me no want give you me things. That means say me heart dirty. Enough girl in a house with them man. And them man have no money. And they have money hiding there. Hiding there. And now help out. Drunk for them. And enough man hide money. And the woman in there suffer. Pussy hold them. And a licky bumbo clot. You know, want it and get it to blood clots until your body go wet. When the body go wet, man, that's why enough of the girl out there sell pussy and no know. You feel me? Because everybody wanna fuck, wanna have to collect. Wanna bitch. All a blood clot, you know. You see me I deal with? And this is the thing I go around nowadays. No found a girl a hunger war just because you love blood clot likes. Because you love people, things and people, blood clot money. And no found a boy, that's why man fuck you too. You see me? And that's why no found a bumbo clot get fucked. No found a girl out here. have all of the man on the yard and a man telling us they like on a road I have a little change and I go fuck him for the money cause on a junk. You see me? You see me? You see me? Unique music, what go on? Yo, let me show you a style. Me not have no time for that. Me not pretty up bumbo clot nothing, you know. Because yo, me real. I just something set. If you know want to hear when me talk, fuck off. Go down a wharf, go chuck off. You understand what me I deal with? Don't play with the style. No for a girl out here. Fuck. Wanna make you look like a saint. Wanna make you look like somebody. I wanna dog shit a road. Make a man look like shit a road. Fuck like dog everywhere. Cause on a blood clot, licky. On a licky. Enough girl thank God so they have pussy and little makeup for put on so man can see them and like them. So they can can out man or then can go. No for a girl can tell me about can out nowadays. Every man will go no money out of them pocket, them fuck you know. Cause no man no fall nowadays the amount of girl them out the place here. I told no licky one no fucky sir. And the man them alone licky who no dirty girl licky too so no fucky and dirty. Thinking chink. You see me? You see me? You know blood clot see me cause right now one time when I hear about lickiness me put it on the man and the woman them cause all on a blood clot junker put the pussy clot together. You understand me? No for a girl no like work. Just like how some of a man no like bumbo clot work so no walk and fuck for things. And then tell people well, oh me no fuck for nothing. Who no ever fuck for things? Any girl where you see beg too much. You see any girl where you see love beg, then get no fuck. Any girl where you see beggy too much. Dog, when you day in the street and you see the girl where you always see come up to you and beg you the most things I call money. And one thing with me as me see my brethren them, me say, yo, me get a spliff now. And that me a beg you know, because I want a spliff for smoke. You feel me? I leave me have weed in my pocket. That's some mistake. But them a girl walk up to you, they want $20, they want $50, they want $60. Move on the bumbo clot. Move on the thinking blood clot from here, so me the realest bumbo clot thing. I mean, I want to watch my sexuality when me talk, because everything when me talk, I go for bumbo clot man, so me call it statement. You feel me I deal with? Big up on Joe Blacks. Don't play with my style. You feel me I deal with? No for a little girl out here so now come go like so no know what we are talking about. No know what we are talking about. Cause we not link on nowadays girl. No for una link way. And a beg way. Want fuck way. And then una go on like una good as. Una licky be. All of una bumbuckler licky you that fuck me, Andrew Blacks and the whole of bumbuckler way. The whole fraternity. Just for name, just for likes, just for bumbuckler 20 la. No for a girl. You understand me? The licky thing go far way that day. I know one way. Every bumbo clot way. That way there. On a link wake. On is a wake link. You understand me? I deal with no for a little girl nowadays on a wallet. You know why on a wallet? On see Gucci, on see Prada, on see this, on see that, on want bumbo clot wear it. So no fuck like dog, forget it. And Joe Black say know the style in a dog. You know the style in a enough of them girl in a dog. One time they say me and Joe Black say man the whole of we were in a bumbuckler, Louis Vuitton, or hot watch, or hot this, or hot that they want to wear it to so they fuck with. Statement. Law. You hear that? That's a law. Yes man, messy me down. What go on? You have to cut off them the link there. You feel me I deal with? I do have this thing right now if you find is a girl with loyal. Let me tell you that. No girl boy and a loyal. Cause as you turn your back, she fuck on you. Cause she want things. Nowadays, you know, all when you can give girl nails and weave, then still fuck on you cause they want Gucci and they want Louis and they want Prada and your money can't reach as a girl a fuck. Allah. You see me? Uno licky. Man bumbuckler licky. We can't go in a club in peace and go buy a bumbuckler buckle. You know, you see some man from nowhere where you never seen a bumbuckler life yet a drink out of your buckle to bumbuckler. The whole of your buckle done to pussy clot. You wonder how the buckle done now. Licky, run against, ready eye. And that go on, you know. You understand me? One party and don't have the budget. Leave it alone, daddy. You see me? Leave it alone, dog. You see me? The man them a real bumbuckler run against and me say a statement. You feel me? A statement, man. Feel me? You una alone. And me and you know say this is the realest thing out here. The leche thing real. Some of them gyal just fuck you for your meal. All of them. None of them gyal you fuck them for weed. One spliff. They beg you should come there. With a like a short skirt and like me when my pants drop down on my body and I walk up to you don't know it's a dildo me having on my bumbuckler boxers. You know go come think of me so but you come in here like a bumbuckler body rider them but Missy, me can't get a spliff. Him man a go fuck you, dirty bitch. Eh? When you come there, come show off on a bumbuckler makeup and hairstyle and perfume and body rider and a beg like blood clot. What I'm doing? Eh? Youth, right now, me tell you nothing. Enough of them gyal about your place and a like me in Andrew Black. So I tell you why. Cause me talk a short and the pussy old boy them about the place I go like say them want nice up with them blood class stinking gyal. You feel me I deal with? No for now can go like and I walk up and down in the street and I can go like on a nice, on a bumbuckler nice. Only just licky and fuck like chuck. Only look like suck, only cost $5 bumbuckler Jamaican and another price. Dirty Warren girl only be. Every man will know. No so only just a girl in a body rider will come beg weed and beg money so it's easy for fuck. Easy for fuck, man. Easy for fuck you. And not a joke thing, man. And if only girl get fucked for a cup of liquor in the club in the night time. Cause you want to go in there and the body rider go look nice. Put on makeup and you no want buy liquor. You no want buy liquor. So you put on body rider, you put on makeup and you come in there come giggle up with me and messy them. So we buy, you can drink out and we buckle. And we are fucking at the end of the night. That's how the blood clot easy. That's how you make it easy for blood clot. If you get pussy now it's not hard. And when you should be ashamed of a bumbuckler self. Somehow you say on a wife or yard down the road go fuck on a man. On a dog shit. On a dog shit, man. Someone a fuck for $10. You see me? A bitch under quiet. You hear them I say? No funny girl. Pose up every day and a giggle up and a smile up about a wife. And one time bumbuckler yai lock pound. On a shit house and cockroach. We don't know cockroach principle. Licky. As a man goes on here, we not ready for fuck fee. All you do is use on a bumbuckler body for make money. That's all you do as woman. One man for tell you say yes, you look good so you can get for go beg. You that's why you one man tell you say you eyelash the pan fleek so you can go beg. You licky, that's why you pussy big so. All you know just a walk and a fuck. What you mean a lies? Akila, what you say? What you say a lie me I tell Akila? Akila, you wicked to rascal, man, Akila. You see me? Right now, let me show you a style. You see licky thing? As I said, go both ways. I'm done with the man them up there, so. This I girl them now. Cause me tell us enough man I make bumbuckler girl a wine in them face for little and nothing, you know, daddy. Little and bumbuckler nothing, you know. Enough man best friend a fuck them and you know just because them best friend have a hot ride. Enough boy not like work so them friend fuck them. You see me? Let me show you a style. Me not have girl problem. That's why me always can burn out people. It deal when me start have girl problem. Me stop vlog. I just sub see. You see me? Me I tell you the sitting them who go on out here so. Cause me see man call girl and tell girl say they hungry and want something to eat, you know. Babes you can bring something come give me for eat, please. Me the woman me not even feel like if get up. Dog you sound like a load of blood clot shit. Both ways the whole on a bumbuckler licky. And if Mickey attack it, why would you feel like I sit where I got you? What a blood clot powder. Me just done eat. Me just done blood clot eat. Me can't afford to have girl problem because me a pretty done. You understand what I deal with? If one don't know, probably enough of one don't like me, but enough girl want me still and love me still. You understand me? So me can't really have girl problem. Me get too much text. As me I said that day, I even though me still never cheat on them things. You see me that day? Still, yo, fuck that. Some days you have to do what you have to do. If you have to cheat, you have to cheat. But let me show you a style. You don't ever cheat because of likes. You hear that? Cheat because you see sitting there. Cheat because you see something you da fuck out it all. You see me I deal with? You see me? Cheat because you see somebody in January, boy, I love of that person, what me do with that person. You see me? Yeah, because me tell you this. Me not tell you say me woulda never cheat. Cause enough bumbuckler pretty girl there in the street, they're pretty and cute and them ever smell good and them look nice. Don't you mean them want to fuck to and feel nice and make them know say them body dip on fleek and rub all them fucking cheek. What you mean? Yo. Yeah man dog. Let me tell you this. You know one time me a DJ wicked. Every minute me have a different mic and whoa. Me a DJ, whoa, me bad. Watch his style. Me never suck no wood for boss. Me never make nobody crawl up in a me chimney. You understand me I deal with? Nobody never crawl in a me chimney for me boss. You understand me? So until this day, me do a boss out of DJing. I know. How you mean me cheat? What the fuck deal? Mama, let me tell you this man. You have to cheat and then talk, you know. Hey. I want to think me about buckler and tell you every time you cheat, me can talk. Now me want to do a threesome with you, baby, and me and you alone. So me and you alone and do that about buckler and fuck there. What? Mama, me alone. You see, me alone, you can't manage me alone much less, mama. Swear to you. You understand what I mean? Let me tell you this. Any man tell you say them never cheat, it's a lie my blood clot tell. You just respect your girl you do it. Tell you. Brother, tell you fuck more than 3 girl before a year. Dog, you see when the year start, kill mama dead. I'm a lot. Yo, you see what time I start tell her Richard say me bust a little one cheat there that time, the other one cheat there, the one cheat there. You understand me? She just ball and get over it. Now me tell her already, no I cheat. Hey, let me tell her this. Me not no woman right now. Not no woman right now. Because like, yo, you know how long, me can't release out and not know that. The dance single as we can see right now, the single dance. But I notice my background different. I live somewhere different, you know. But that is beside the point. But back in a them the time when me there with her, yeah man. My bus 2 or 3 years. You see next woman I have, me not cheat for her dog. Me not cheat for my woman. You see next woman I go get, me not cheat for her dog. You understand me? Yo, pretty level. You see right now? The next woman who call me daddy? Somebody call me a Billy. Boy, me have to take this.